Resigned Congressman Zaldico is not done yet. This time he's tagging First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos in whole new alleged corruption scheme yet. But President Bongbong Marcos is still not buying any of Co's testimony. Mobile journalist Julie Baiza with tonight's big story.
In another video posted on social media, Zaldico implicated First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, this time for allegedly pulling her weight on rice importers. The former congressman on the run cited supposed data from Agriculture Secretary Francisco Tiu Laurel Jr. himself. Co claimed that in 2024, he requested then House Speaker Martin Romualdez to investigate skyrocketing rice prices. But Congressman Sandro Marcos allegedly called Romualdez to nip any probe in the bud upon the orders of his father, the president. Co further alleged that Tiu Laurel was even reprimanded by the speaker for a report that mentioned the First Lady in rice smuggling. The resigned Co Bicol party list representative also accused Mrs. Marcos of blocking any investigation into onion prices back in 2022 because her brother, Martin Araneta, was into importation of the product.
Mula sa Pangulo, First Lady, hanggang sa anak, sila mismo ang nagtatakda, kumukontrol, at nakikinabang sa mga transaksyon dapat sanay para sa kapakanan ng sambayanan.
Note that earlier this year, Agriculture Secretary Tiu Laurel revealed that Zaldico forced the DA to issue importation permits to his 3 companies. The DA chief said Co wanted permits for a massive volume of fish, something that violates the import formula of the agency. Co's latest video came out a few hours after President Bongbong Marcos revealed in his vlog that the ex-congressman tried blackmail on him. Marcos said Co's lawyer offered a stop to his client's video uploads if the government will not pursue the cancellation of Co's passport.
I do not negotiate with criminals. Kahit maglabas ka na ng video ng lahat ng kasinungalingan mo na pag-destabilize sa gobyerno, gusto kong malaman mo, Zaldi, makakansela pa rin ang passport mo. Hindi ka na makakatakas sa hustisya.
Co's lawyer attorney Rui Rondain was quick to call the president's statement, quote, completely untrue. Rondain said he never spoke to anyone about Co's videos and passport. Prior to this, Zaldico also released a letter he claimed to have written President Marcos in February this year, calling for scrutiny of insertions in the national budget. This, too, was brushed aside by the palace. Palace Press Officer Claire Castro did not only cite inconsistencies in Co's video statements.
Sa tuwing mapupunan natin ang kanyang mga inconsistencies, sumasabay po ang kanyang pagbabago ng kwento sa pagbabago ng hairstyle sa video.
Kapatid Mobile Journal Julie Baiza, Hero One News.